I've only ever played this game once, so...
But you beat it?
Yes, I beat it. Because it was... I did one sitting, because it's not a long game. Yeah.
I will say, Whoa.
Woo.
It's tails this time.
It's the other. Okay, we got to split. Gavin, flip your coin, flip your coaster.
Wow.
Alright, Cat, it's the first thing.
My cultural blind spot, whereas SpongeBob is yours.
I don't think Dino Crisis is so much of a cultural.
Over another customer's ice. So hop to your local IHOP to get their new bisque. Oh, they discontinued them. Well, fuck. They renamed Natchez, Mississippi to IHOP, Mississippi. And then a guy.
Yes. Exactly. We're going to offer you exactly what you're making, but now you live on your own in a different state.
So really, it's a pay cut.
So it's a huge pay cut.
There's several other restaurants nearby where you can get crap food that's slightly better than this place, but better still. Come on, you make up your mind. Horrible experience today. My stomach is full of bad food and regret.
So, here's what I like about this.
His biceps, but I actually think you really want to come for like the traps and the chest.
Yeah. Well, Max sent me a zoom in of like he did the pec thing. Flex the pec.
Yeah.
A couple times.
Yeah.
Oh my God,
He just
what
like
the
shirts
fuck?
look
What
really
are you
good on
doing?
him. And that's not true of everyone with great bodies. Some people just, some people with hot bodies are
The one who knows the emails.
I said, it's this, right? And he said,
I take full blame. Now, in my defense,
Also, we.
in my defense, exist, and that's made it difficult for me to remember which one's the real one. So.
What are you doing?
And it's just like, I don't think, do you think the quality's dipped?
No. It's kind of hard to tell. Because they've been in this kind of like version of them for so long that you'd have to go back like 10 years or more to like get.
I don't think, do you think the quality's dipped?
No, I don't think so. It's kind of hard to tell. Because they've been in this kind of like version of them for so long.
If Michael was wrong, but like some sort of loophole.
Some guy, I think she was like doing like a gotcha, but I don't know if she knew she was doing a gotcha. There's nothing to get. There's it's called like nether lava something. I don't know. That
In
they
the
have.
movie.
At McDonald's. They have a
we wanted to
Minecraft
give
sauce. So we were gonna get that and this special one or whatever, and we ended up getting 3 cups of range from you.
Guys, not
I
joking?
ended up getting.
Okay, I read about helicopter crashing.
It happened! Watch it on YouTube, shut up.
That was red?
Quarter-pound pulled pork sandwich. Arby's pulled.
Feel it.
But like, there's a very clear choice when I'm rambling for 12 minutes about something at the beginning of the podcast, because I know it's more interesting than what we're about to talk about. I'm just let me get it out of the way. That I get. So I'm not worried about going too early, or like long too early, like, oh no, we're already 15 minutes. What I'm worried is getting to the end and we're at 47 minutes. Yeah. That's... No, I totally get it. Oh, fuck. What do we... Not that we have, like, a time. No, we shoot for an hour. We shoot for an hour. I'd like to go for an hour, and if we just talk about this shit sometimes, it's like 46 minutes, and then we'll just, like, have Nick do something silly or whatever. That was me last week. I was in a tear last week. Yeah. Well, that was the So game. Put her name in the title. Yeah. People, she gets clicks.
Has anyone tried to build a trampoline upside down so you can go down faster?
So you can go to heaven faster?
Yeah.
You go...
Is that how people
rapture yourself?
Interesting.
What are you doing?
I sold my...
Did you see that?
No.
Car just put 2 wheels into our lane and then passed 2 vehicles in the center turning lane, just like somebody.
Magarsh.
They sound so.
You want Hosh Posh Magarsh?
Now I feel guilty, but that was pretty fun.
Like so many others. Wish there was